Namaste everybody, I'm Paul. This is Yoganity and welcome to day 6 of our breathwork journey. So today we're going to be practicing a more new or modern breathing technique or pranayama, whatever you want to call it, Wim Hof Breath. It's such a cool and powerful and awesome breathing technique that I really wanted to put it into this 7-day journey. Although it's not an ancient breathing technique, there's so much powerful benefits to Wim Hof Breath. It's so good for reducing inflammation within the body, stress reduction, mental clarity, lowering the blood pressure, improved cardiovascular health, boosting the immune system. It's such an incredible breath and breathing technique. So what we're going to do today, we're going to do 3 rounds of Wim Hof Breath with breath retention at the end of each round. The first round, we'll retain the breath internally for 30 seconds, the second round 45 seconds, the last round 60 seconds. Like I've said in previous videos, you don't have to do the breath retention if you don't want to, if it feels uncomfortable or unnatural for you. I do encourage you to at least try. You don't have to hold it for the full amount of time. If you feel like breathing before, that's perfectly fine. Listen to that inner wisdom, that internal guru. It's so important that you listen to your own body. So what is Wim Hof Breath then? Well, you can do it in a seated position like I am now, or you can lay down. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be doing it in a seated position. And I'll just give a quick demonstration. So we'll have the hands on the knees, we'll sit nice and tall, create that length within the spine. So we're going to be inhaling through the mouth as deeply as possible, and then kind of just releasing the breath. We don't want to force the breath out, we're just kind of releasing it. We don't want to empty the lungs completely. I'll give a quick demonstration. So I'm really inhaling forcefully, filling the lungs, expanding the lungs, then kind of relaxing the body and just letting the oxygen, the air just release the lungs naturally. I'm not forcing the air out. We're going to practice that 30 times. So 30 deep inhales and exhales. On the last breath, I'll give inhale deeply and hold. We'll hold the breath, retain the breath for 30 seconds. Like I said, if you want to breathe beforehand, please do. If you don't want to do the breath retention at all, that's also perfectly fine. So we're going to be really stimulating the circulatory system throughout this breath. You might feel some slight sensations, tingling sensations throughout the body, some subtle vibrations. You may feel slightly lightheaded at some point also. If you do feel slightly lightheaded and it feels very uncomfortable, then just stop and come back to normal breathing. So yeah, let's get on with the first round. So like I said, we're going to sit nice and tall. Go tall through the crown of the head. Going to softly close the eyes. We'll just turn the attention inside for a few moments. Feel into the body. Notice how the body feels today. Any thoughts that come to mind. So let's prepare to start the first round. Let's inhale deeply through the nose. Relaxing exhale through the mouth. And we'll start the practice. Inhale and hold the breath. Relax the body, relax the mind. And softly exhale, release the breath. Come back to the normal ease of breath. Notice any sensations within the body. Any feelings of expansion within the chest. Continue to sit with the eyes closed. We're going to start the second round now. So let's inhale deeply through the nose. We'll be retaining the breath for 45 seconds. Remember to breathe whenever it feels good for you. Relaxing exhale. And we'll start the breath. Inhale, retain the breath. Relax the body, relax the mind. Notice any sensations within the body. And softly exhale, release the breath. And again, just sit in stillness for a few moments and feel into the body. Notice any sensations, subtle vibrations, the expansion of the breath, the cleansing of the mind, purification and detoxification of the system, the boosting of the immune system. Let's prepare for the third and final round. We'll be retaining the breath for 60 seconds this time. Again, listen to that inner guru, that inner wisdom. If you wish to breathe before, please do. Let's inhale deeply through the nose. Relaxing exhale through the mouth. And we'll start the breath. Inhale, retain the breath. Relax the body, relax the mind. And softly relax the breath, relax the body. Continue to keep the eyes closed. Feel into the body. And just check in with yourself. Just notice how the body feels now compared to the start of the practice. This feeling of expansion, the purifying of the cardiovascular system, the opening of the front side of the body, the lungs, the chest. Feeling the vital energies flowing throughout the body with ease and abundance. The clarity in the mind. Let's inhale deeply through the nose together. And open the mouth and relaxing exhale. And softly coming back, I invite you to open your eyes. Just notice how the body feels after that powerful breathing practice. It's such an incredible pranayama breathing technique to purify and detoxify the body, the boosting of the immune system, to get rid of any inflammation within the body, the reduction in stress, this mental clarity, improved cardiovascular health, lowering of the blood pressure, boosting of the immune system. Absolutely incredible breathing technique. My body just feels completely energized, revitalized. The mind, it just feels so much clearer after that practice. Of course, with this practice, you don't have to do any breath retention after each 30 or 40 rounds of breath. You can simply just inhale, hold the breath for a couple of seconds and then exhale, add that awareness phase, and then continue or repeat the breathing technique. Now, it's said that you can, or Wim Hof says himself, that you can practice this for up to 20 minutes every day to get the full benefits. But again, always listen to that inner wisdom, that inner guru. Start off nice and slow with its a couple of minutes every day and build up gently. There's no need to rush with these things, with breathing techniques. Any breathing technique, we should always start nice and slow, particularly with internal breath retention or external breath retention. I hope you enjoyed this class. I hope it was informative. I hope you feel the benefits of this, beautiful, powerful breathing technique. And yeah, if you like the video, click like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed day 6. And hopefully I'll see you on the mat tomorrow for day 7. As always, keep living the dream, keep smiling, keep happy, keep positive. Namaste.